Hello and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. So how do you create a human in Infinity Craft? Now this is going to be really fast, so just bear with me guys. All you need is fire plus the wind here. And then water underneath it. Just bear with me here. And after water, I'm going to need you to click fire, put it on top of water, create steam. And then put some earth on the steam here to create mud. And then wind. And after the wind, I'm going to need you to put earth on top of the wind. Let's just do it here. Then you get dust. And now put earth on top of dust. You get a planet. And then after the planet here, just bear with me, this is going to be really quick here. Really simple though. So put smoke underneath here. Now that you have your planet, put smoke and then put a little bit of water here. You got fog. Now I want you to drag the fog on top and put it on top of the planet here. And you get Venus. So after Venus, you just add mud right here. Then you get man. So that's it. You get Adam. So I hope this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.